In 1978, Judy Burgoon, a professor in communications, created the expectancy violation theory. The expectancy violation theory is the prediction and explanation of unexpected behaviors of human beings while engaging in either verbal or nonverbal interactions. Before interacting, individuals always have a set of expectations towards how the interaction will unfold, which are known as expectancies. There are different expectancies for different interactions. This depends on relationship, communicator, characteristics, and context. There are two different types of expectations: pre-interactional expectations and interactional expectations. Pre-interactional expectations refer to the knowledge and skills the communicators bring to the interactions. Interactional expectations refer to the communicator's ability to maintain the interaction. Expectancy violation theory only comes into play when these expectations are violated.
The theory also focuses on both cognitive and physical arousal. Cognitive arousal is being mentally aware about deviations from expectations, whereas physical arousal occurs when an individual experiences bodily changes as a result of deviations from these expectations. Finally, this theory also deals with something called the violation valence. This is the perceived negative or positive assessment of an unexpected behavior. This theory can be applied to everyday scenarios and even different scenes in movies. Expectancy violation theory focuses on spatial relations between individuals and calls these proxemic zones. There are 4 distances that include intimate distance, personal distance, social distance, and public distance.
Intimate distance is a zone that includes behaviors that exist in a range from 0 to 18 inches. The behavior includes anything from touch to being able to observe a person's facial characteristics. This distance is reserved usually for those in an intimate relationship, but we tend to be in this distance in everyday situations. This distance is usually uncomfortable for most people.
Hey, Kaylee.
Hey.
I had a question on the kinesiology study guide from last night.
Yeah, what's up?
I had a question on number 2. I don't know what you knew it was which tendon was in the knee.
I have the patella.
Makes sense. I thought it was the phalanges. My mistake. Hey, Kaylee, did you do the kinesiology homework last night?
Yeah, why?
I just got a couple of questions on the study guide.
Okay.
I was wondering if you got number 2. I just don't really know what the main bones are in the leg.
Okay.
And then the other one is the muscle that flows blood through our body. I was wondering, just because I feel like it was the brain, but at the same time it could be the heart. I was just wondering what you thought it was. And if I could I usually just look at your answers for the study guide, please? Okay.
Personal distance is a zone that includes behaviors that exist in an area ranging from 18 inches to 4 feet. Personal distance encompasses being as close as holding another's hand to keeping someone at arm's length. Personal distance is likely to be used for your family and friends. The farthest point, being 4 feet, is usually reserved for less personal relationships, such as sales clerks.
Ann Williams?
No, I'm Zoe.
Class of 2017?
No,
Your dad was my football coach, right?
I think you're mistaken.
No.
No,
What's your name?
Zoe.
So embarrassing. Ann?
No,
Ann, it's me.
it's Zoe.
Ann. Class of 2017?
No, I'm a freshman in high school.
Ann Williams. Your dad was my football coach.
No,
Coach Williams.
no.
Ann, come on, Ann.
Please keep your personal distance. Come on.
The next video will show the expectations and realities revolving around social distance, which is a spatial zone of 4 to 12 feet reserved for more formal relationships such as those with coworkers and in social settings.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, hey, what's up, dude?
You catch that Raiders game last night?
No.
You didn't? It was a good game.
Really?
Yeah, John Gruden actually coached him up well for once.
Okay.
All right, speak me up. I gotta go to English right now. I'll catch you later.
All right, man.
Hey, Isaiah.
Jake? Hey,
There's
what's up,
that Raiders
dude?
game last night?
Oh, heck no.
Why not?
Dude, they suck.
You're right. John Gruden's been a terrible coach this year.
Tell me about it.
Hey, could you guys be a little quieter? Like, you can stand closer together. Like, I'm in a class.
Okay, but honestly, you traded Khalil Mack. He's not even a
suck,
good coach.
too. I don't know what's
You're
going
right.
on.
You're right.
This final clip shows an example of an expectation and reality of public distance. Public distance has a spatial zone of 12 feet and beyond, and is reserved for very formal discussions between professor and students in class.
Hello, class. Today we will be talking about the history of trees. Specifically, this one. Can anyone tell me what this is? Anyone? Hey, you on the phone. What is this?
That's a coconut tree.
Wrong. Because if you were paying attention, you know this is eucalyptus.
Oh, I knew it.
Welcome, class. Today, I will be talking to you about the history of this college. I'd like you to take a look at these bricks here. I built this.
Whoa.
When? When did I build this? Anyone know?
This class is not for me.